Today I'm going to show you how to play Calypso on the drums in 3 simple steps. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how to expand the basic beat and learn how to improvise with it. For those of you who are new to Brad on drums, I'm a professional drummer based out of Kansas City. I'm also a private drum teacher who has helped many students master the drums, including my student Zach Forsyth, who became a professional jazz drummer and toured China with trumpeter Lee Sachuan. Okay, Calypso, step 1. Play the following pattern with your hands. Play it over and over at different tempos until you're comfortable with it. By the way, if you're interested in learning more drum beats, I have something that'll really help you with that. I have a list of 10 drum beats that all drummers really need to know. It also includes an exclusive video demonstrating all the beats. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a free copy. All right, step 2, play the following pattern with your feet. A little slower. Okay, step 3, add the hand pattern that you played earlier to the pattern you're now playing with your feet. Practice at all different tempos and try to get really comfortable with it. That's the basic pattern that I use, and that'll get you by in most situations. I mentioned earlier that I'd also show you how to improvise with this. The first step is to start adding a few extra notes with your right hand. You can also double the first note of your left hand occasionally as well. Keep the pattern that you're playing with your feet the same. Next, try playing some eighth notes on the snare, just right, left, over the basic foot pattern. Then you're going to start adding some accents, maybe adding a few notes on the toms. You can also start adding some accents. You can add some double strokes. Here's another thing to try. Play various syncopated patterns around the set with your right hand, just like you were doing on the ride cymbal. Then start kind of filling in with the left hand. As I mentioned before, I have other beats that you should really learn that I'd like to send you as well. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a free copy. Now, did you find this video helpful? What other beats would you like to learn? Please comment below. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I have a whole playlist about Latin rhythms that I know you'll really enjoy. Please watch those next, and I'll see you for the next video.